Let's begin with another example, 22 JSTL. In this example, I created few JSP pages, index.jsp, info.jsp and profile.jsp. For structural representation and demonstration, I just created only the three sections, header and main body and footer part. Similarly, in info.jsp, once again I created header, the main body content and the footer. In profile.jsp, the same header, the same footer, but the main body part is different in each page. And what is common in all three pages is the header and footer, right? So let's run this example. I just want to access 22 JSTL index.jsp page. You can see that index page, the header part and the footer part. Now let's access the info.jsp page. You can see that the info page, but the header and footer same for both the pages. Once again, another page, profile.jsp, just access that page, profile page, and the header and footer is same for this page as well. Now what if I want to make some changes in index.jsp and info.jsp, but I forgot to make the change in profile.jsp? Let's try this example again. Access the index.jsp. You can see the change in header. Again, info.jsp, in the page the changes are reflected. Now the profile page, unfortunately we forgot to make the changes in header. In real application, when there will be lots of pages in your application and there are lots of changes have to be made in the header, and that header part is common to all of them, what you would do, for simplicity, what we will do, we will create another JSP page, save, and I said header.jsp. Don't write HTML head body tags here. I just copied, or you can say I just removed this part from the index, info and profile.jsp. Now just write the include directive with file attribute, and just we want to specify the header.jsp. When this page is translated, the included JSP's content is copied to this page. Okay, so the line of code from the header JSP will be copied and will be pasted here, and this will be the reflection of this code. Okay, we will repeat this step in all the available JSP pages. Profile.jsp. Now, so we included the headers content in all the JSP pages, and now I just want to experience. I said index.jsp. Okay, I just want to make some changes here. Suppose make some changes here. Now let's begin with index.jsp. You can see the changes are reflected here. Now info.jsp, again I said profile.jsp, profile.jsp. You can see the difference here. Okay, so whatever change you make here, you can see the changes reflecting in all the JSP pages. But the limitation with this include directive is you can only include the content which is part of your application. Beyond your application, you cannot include anything, right? You cannot refer to any page which is outside your application. Right now your application's name is 22 JSTL. So this is the limitation with this include directive. And to overcome this problem, in next example we are going to learn the C import tag that will allow you to access the resources from outside your application. So see you in next video.